In circuit, resistance connected in series and parallel. So, today we learn how to calculate total resistance of series circuit. Hi friends, welcome back my channel. Let's learn for better understand. First, we see what is the series circuit. Series circuit means the combination of two or more resistors which have only one path to flow of current. Let's draw the series circuit of resistance. In series circuit, each resistor connected in one line. Here we take example of three resistors. First is R1, second is R2 and third is R3. Here this is the first terminal of R1 and this is the second terminal of R1. It's connected to the first terminal of R2 and second terminal of R2 is connected to the first terminal of R3. So these three resistors have a individual voltage drop. So we call these three resistors connected in series. We consider this connected to this voltage source, and these resistors have single current path to flow. So we say that these resistors are connected in series. How to calculate the total resistance of this circuit? So consider R1 is equal to 1 kilo ohm, R2 is equal to 2 ohm and R3 is equal to 3 ohm. So for total resistance RT, is sum of these three resistors, but all these resistors are needs to in same range. Here the R1 is 1 kilo ohm. So first we have to convert it to the kilo ohm. So we know that 1 kilo ohm is equal to 1000 ohm. So all these resistors are in same range, then RT is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 1000 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 3 ohm. So total resistance RT is equal to 1005 ohm. So in this way you can calculate total resistance of series circuit. The question of the day is, I will give you one example. You comment me what is the total resistance of this circuit. R1, R2 and R3. R1 is equal to 5 kilo ohm, R2 is equal to 4 ohm and R3 is equal to 1 kilo ohm. What is the total resistance. You comment me the answer of this example in comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for this type of videos. Thank you.